Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Jingle bells all the way. No, baby.
You hating
We're
for?
not doing all that right
you
now.
hating for? Hey, 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 hey,
Jingle
hey.
bell. Uh-oh.
The heck?
Somebody's doing a little bit too much. Let's just get focused,
Let me fix
sir.
this tree.
All right.
Oh, ghetto tree.
Let's try that one more time. What's going on, guys? Welcome
What's
back
up?
to our Christmas Vlogmas. Guess what, y'all?
yeah.
It is 8 days before Christmas.
Yeah,
Can you
and
believe
we
it?
are having so much fun with you guys. Like,
We are having a
man.
lot of fun, especially with these intros. Somebody has a little bit too much fun, as you can see.
I know, man. These ghetto Christmas trees over here, man.
I'm just saying.
Get them from the dollar store.
But anyways, you guys, hey, we hope you guys are doing good and you're enjoying this series. But we want to show you guys some of our sales we got into.
So the first items that we sold a lot of 9 CD-ROM games. The first one is this Flight Simulator 2002.
Here you go.
The next one is Trains. The next one is Railroad Simulator 2006. Next one, Flight Simulator Deluxe Edition. Next one is Flight Simulator Gold Edition. Flight Simulator Acceleration. Combat Flight Simulator 3.
You probably should have been counting these.
I know, right?
Just thinking about it. Number 8.
And then Flight Simulator 10 Microsoft. And then the last one is Iron Knuckles. So we have all of these 9 games right here, and we sold it for a total of how much? $40. Yeah.
There you go.
$40. And I think they paid shipping. I'm not looking at my phone right now. And if you guys know about these games, let us know in the comments, because I actually got these for free when I was cleaning out the house.
Yep, that same house, y'all.
Yeah. And I don't know anything about these type of games.
Sometimes you just gotta look up the comps on items. You may not know what it is, but if it's got good comps, make sure you get it. Next up, we ended up selling these kids black Timberland boots.
They're about to fall.
Yeah, I caught it, y'all. So we ended up selling these boots, you guys, for 26 bucks, and the buyer paid about $7 shipping, which is really good because we've actually been selling out of most of our Timberlands.
Yeah, they've been selling like hotcakes.
Yes, so we're excited when winter comes because we can get rid of all of the boots.
And then we sold these dress shoes right here. These are actually Timberland, and they're extremely light, like really, really light. And as you can see, the logo and everything is still on the inside of it. And we sold these for $15, and the buyer paid $10 shipping. Next up, we sold another Super 8 film, and this one is Spider-Man.
Classic, y'all.
Classic, y'all. This is crazy. But like, I remember opening these up to see if they were still like, you hold the bottom up?
I was just about to say, you're real
because these are like real brittle. So you have to be real careful, because I opened up, I can't remember which one it was, but it was one of them. And literally the film right here, like cracked. And I was like, oh.
Gotta be careful. Hey, stop unraveling it, boo.
I'm not trying, it's just doing it itself. But you can see how like the words are on the film right here. Like, that's super dope right there.
That's so
super cool.
How many of you guys remember like the Super 8s or like the 8 tracks? Because, I mean, what generation is that? Just help me out. Because
I don't even know.
I know, honestly, like reselling is what taught me a lot about like older pieces and vintage pieces.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of putting my foot in my mouth because, you know, last time we went to the store with our daughter JJ and she was asking about VHS. And I was like, what do you mean? Like, how do you not know what VHS is? And she was like, what is it? How do you work it? And I was like, okay, signs
Like,
that
how don't you know what a VHS is, Jake?
Yeah, that's probably how some people are feeling with us filming this.
Yeah, the new generation, they're probably not gonna even know what a DVD is.
No, probably not. Blu-ray, all of that stuff. It's such a different world, y'all. But anyways, we love being able to sell these classics. So we actually have a few more of these, but honestly, these Super 8s have been selling really, really great for us. So if you see the classics, the Super 8s, and of course you can't go wrong
And
with
it's from
Spider-Man.
1976, Marvel Comic Group. Wow, that's crazy.
Marvel been in the game for a minute. I'm about to start some problems.
What?
DC or Marvel?
I mean, we already know DC's better than Marvel.
I mean, I don't know. Y'all let us know in the comments, because this has been an ongoing debate in our household of Marvel and DC.
I'm definitely with Marvel, but
Are you?
I mean, DC is cool, but they're just having issues right now.
I mean, they're having a restructure right now of their character plots and stories. I don't know, but you guys let us know. Are y'all Marvel fans? Are y'all DC fans? Let us know which one y'all think is better. The next item we ended up selling were these super clean patent leather Jordan 1s, y'all.
Those are crazy, y'all.
I mean, like super crazy clean. Y'all know these actually just came out last year, so love these. These are a kid size 1, but I remember we actually sold an adult pair of these not too long ago. Yeah, so anyways, we ended up selling these, you guys, for $55, and the buyer paid like $10 shipping. So
and these have like patent leather all around it. And that's what makes it really let's say spread, but special. It's because these, I believe, are like the bread ones, but they're like patent leather. So I remember your cousin, he had a pair of these, and I was like, man, you already got these? I was like, you already got these already? He was like, yeah, he got these before they came out. And then all of a sudden, you know, like weeks later, I see these in the thrift store.
And
I'm
of
like,
course we picked them up.
Right.
Of course we picked them up. So anyways, you can't go wrong with Jordan 1s, but especially when you can get the patent leather. So, you know, that's $65. Good job, boo.
Let's go.
And by the way, shout out to the beautiful ladies of the Let's Do Lunch podcast. We got our Christmas card in the mail. So for those that are like living under a rock and you've never heard of Angie Resells, Rachel Strickland, and A Rural Squirrel, they
Kristen
are amazing. They have the best
dope
podcast. So I was actually one of their guests a few weeks ago, and it was so awesome being able to interview with them because there's something powerful about reseller moms. I'm just saying. We talked about cravings, and we talked about all the stories of our husbands. Haha.
And she's having like cravings right now because, as y'all know, she's pregnant right now.
I am pregnant. So by the time this video comes out, I'll probably be maybe 17, 18 weeks. So I'm in my second trimester, 4 months. But yes, all is well. But make sure you guys, if y'all didn't catch that video, go back and look at it. And make sure you like and subscribe to our beautiful friends of the Let's Do Lunch podcast. But we just wanted to say Merry Christmas back to them because we got our card.
So the last items that sold for us was 3 shirts. And before we get into what these shirts are and how much we sold them for, we got to tell you the story. This is just crazy.
Because it was a really great sale, but it was a lot of headache to get there.
It was a lot.
Tell me what happened, babe.
The buyer, she bought 3 shirts. And then they said, can you send me an invoice? So I said, that's fine.
No problem.
Sent the invoice. They said, hey, I didn't get the invoice. It's not in my eBay messages or in the notifications. I said, hey, it's not going to be in the eBay messages or the notifications. It's going to be in your email. So they said, okay, cool. They went, checked their email. They said, I don't see them in email. All right. So I sent it again. They said, I still don't see it. I said, did you check the email that you signed up with eBay with? And they said, oh, that email.
Oh, yeah, I don't have access to that email anymore.
I was like, what are you talking about? Like, how are you getting into your email account? You know? So they ended up resetting the password and the username, all of that. And they said, hey, can you send it again? So I sent it again. Then they said, I still don't see it.
And keep in mind, y'all, this was happening over a span of like 2 days. So this wasn't just like 5 minutes apart. This was like hours apart, and we would send it and think it was good, and then like 2-3 hours later they were messaging back that they were having issues. So
they said maybe when he reset the password that it probably erased the messages. I don't know. So they said, can you just send it one more time? And I know I'm doing the most. And in my head I was like, yeah, you're doing beyond the most. You know what I mean? Like, this is crazy. So I sent it one more time, and then they end up paying for the shirts. So the 3 shirts that we sold, you can hold.
Okay.
Hold on. The 3 shirts we sold, the first one, matter of fact, the brand is called D-Squared. D-Squared. If you've never heard of this brand before, you want to make sure that you look out for it.
Bolo brand.
Yeah, it sells pretty well. Yep. So this is the first shirt that sold, and this is a size small.
Yep. And then this is the second one, you guys. So really nice red top. It's got the Canada flag on there, but you see that D-Squared on the tag as well. Yep.
And then the last shirt is another D-Squared shirt right here, size small. And we actually picked this up in the storage unit where we found all of those designer
storage unit, y'all.
Crazy. And we paid $270 for that storage unit.
That entire storage unit. The same one that we ended up having all the crazy sales with the Louis Vuitton yesterday. Y'all saw that. So we've literally been racking up from this one storage unit of having all these designer brands. But how much did we end up selling all this?
So we sold all 3 of the shirts for $148. And the buyer, I don't know how much he paid in shipping. Or did he pay in shipping? I think I gave him a discount.
Who knows?
Or something
Probably.
Like that. Yeah.
We just want to get it shipped to him.
Yeah. So have you guys ever had that happen to you before when, you know, you have a buyer that wants you to send 3 or 4 invoices because they can't find it? Let us know in the comments, because that has never happened to us before.
That was the first time.
Like, that was crazy.
Hopefully the last time.
So that's all of the items that we sold today. And you know, if you guys like this video, I know it wasn't many items because somebody forgot to run the sale.
The sale is running now, you guys, so the sale should be up tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're going to catch you guys, and we're going to see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll catch y'all in the next one, all right? Peace.